Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add Google Maps to your website. All right, it is pretty easy to do. First up, go ahead and fire up Google Maps. All right. Now, once you're in here, you're gonna want to locate the particular location. Like for example, I'm gonna add in my business to my website. All right, this one, which is Don Tisoy Hotel. So what we're gonna do to put this on our website is just go ahead and tap or click on share. All right, and go to embed a map. Once you have your code right here, just go ahead and copy HTML. All right. Once done, go ahead and go to your website. All right. Let's say, for example, this is your source code right here. I'm just going to go ahead and open up a blank page just for this example. All right. Just go ahead and open your source code and hit on edit. Now, once done, you're going to want to put the code or the embed code wherever you want. Say, for example, I'm going to put that exactly right here. All right. Once done, I'm just going to hit on any blank space right here. For you in your end, if you're using WordPress, just go ahead and hit on save, and once done, reload the website and you should be able to see your Google Maps right here. All right. If you are using your own domain, you can go ahead and tap on this plus and minus button right here to zoom in and zoom out. And the users will also have the option to tap on directions, and it will redirect them to the Google Maps app or the Google Maps website. All right. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.